Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 8822B. This form is crucial for notifying the IRS of a change to your business mailing address or responsible party. First, determine if you need to update a business address or a responsible party's address. Carefully read the instructions to select the correct box for your specific situation. Accuracy here prevents delays in receiving important IRS communications. Once you've identified the correct section, proceed to fill in your new address details. Be sure to write legibly and double-check all numbers and street names. Next, mark the box indicating which type of return, such as Form 1120 or Form 1065, this address change affects. Finally, the responsible party must sign and date the form to make it official. After completing and signing Form 8822B, you'll need to mail it to the appropriate IRS address. This address varies depending on your location and the type of return, so always consult the form's instructions for the correct mailing address. It's important to send this form as soon as possible after your address changes, to ensure you receive all official correspondence. Before sealing the envelope, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered on Form 8822B. Any errors could lead to delays or missed communications from the IRS. If your situation is complex or you have multiple business entities, consider seeking advice from a qualified tax professional. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.